Let's start with Model 2 Topic 8 in Blackboard. That is Models of Deduction. You can find this topic in Unit 7 from your book Opened Mind 3. Look at these sentences. I didn't order a pepperoni pizza, but a salami one. This must be a mistake. It is cloudy. It might be rainy today. It is cloudy. It could be rainy today. Eliza is out of the city. She couldn't be knocking at the door right now. Eliza is out of the city. She can't be knocking at the door right now. All of the sentences that you just saw use models of deduction. So how do I use models of deduction? Must be. We use must be to express something we think is almost certainly true. That means that I am almost 100% sure the information is true. For example, I didn't order a pepperoni pizza, but a salami one. This means that I'm completely sure that I ordered a salami pizza and not pepperoni. I am sure because I ordered the pizza. That is why I'm almost completely sure this must be a mistake. Might be and could be are used to express something we think is possibly true. I am not 100% sure, but I think this might be a possibility. Something that can happen, but I'm not completely sure that it might happen. For example, it is cloudy. It might be rainy today. This means that I think it can probably rain, but I'm not completely sure. It is just something that is possible. Might be and could be have the same meaning, and I can use any of them to express possibility. Couldn't be and can't be are used to express something we think is almost certainly untrue. This means that I believe, almost completely sure, that something is not true. For example, Eliza is out of the city. This means that I know that Eliza is not in town. Maybe she went on holidays, on vacation. And if someone is knocking on the door right now, it can't be Eliza, because she is not in the city. So I'm almost completely sure she couldn't be knocking at the door right now. Couldn't be and can't be have the same meaning, and I can use any of them to express something that is almost certainly untrue. So what is the form of models of deduction? After my subject, I'm going to use the model of deduction: must, could, might, couldn't, or can't, according to my sentence. Plus be plus a noun, as in this must be a mistake. An adjective, as in it could be rainy today. Or an ing verb, as in she can't be knocking the door. I can only use one of these options: a noun, an adjective, or an ing verb, but not the three of them. Must be and couldn't be, can't be are opposite forms. For example, if I want to make the sentence "this must be a mistake" into a negative form, the correct form would be "this couldn't be a mistake" or "this can't be a mistake." "This must not be a mistake" is wrong. Must be means that I'm completely sure that something is true, and couldn't be or can't be means that I'm almost completely sure that something is not true. That is why they are opposite forms. The same happens the other way around. It couldn't be or it can't be Eliza knocking. If I want to make this sentence into affirmative, The right form would be, it must be Elisa knocking, because that means that I'm completely sure it is Elisa who's knocking the door. It can't be Elisa knocking is wrong. I cannot use the form in this way. Must and mustn't for obligation and can't for ability are other uses of these modal verbs that we will not use in this topic. So, watch this video as many times as you need to understand this lesson properly. See you in class!